Hi there guys, welcome to the 23rd video on my 2009 Jeep Wrangler, and welcome to Ross Perry Productions. So this is actually going to be my final video on this lovely little car, as it's on its way to its new owners right now, and I get a replacement car tomorrow, which I'll sure to put on my channel at some point. So loved having this car. The only reason I'm getting rid of it is because I cannot get my baby in the back, and we need two practical cars, so that means that some of the toys have to go. So I've made quite a few videos on this on my main channel, mainly long form content. So there's 22 other videos which range from brake replacements to bleeding the clutch system, replacing air filters, installing some gas struts for the bonnet, installing some body armor. We've also got a new fuel filler cap on there as well. Jumping inside the car, I actually painted these and installed these in a video. So the new vents and some various informative videos like where the VIN number is, the paint code, how to top up the fluids, and some other videos like that. So please do check out the rest of the videos I've made on this car. And unfortunately it's bye for now, Johnny the Jeep, and stay tuned to see what I'm getting it replaced with.